everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to do the do-it-yourself candle from the Dollar Tree. I hauled this in one of my Dollar Tree hauls and told you guys that I was going to make a video on it and give you my opinion of what I thought. So this is going to be that video. This is what it looks like. It is from the Dollar Tree. And it has the scents apple cinnamon, magnolia, and apricot citrus. And on the side here is the directions. It says to fill the wick jar with scented granules, layer the granules to create designs and patterns, trim the wick to 1/4 inch before lighting, light the candle, and enjoy. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how easy this is. I'm opening it up here, and inside comes with your wax and the different scents that they come in. This one is the magnolia, and it comes in these little packets of this shaved wax. This one is the apple cinnamon, and then there is the apricot citrus. Down inside here is the jar. And pull that out, and I mean, this is a pretty nice jar. It's kind of thin. The wick is hot glued to the bottom. The underneath side here is kind of got a little pattern etched into it. It's a little bit bumpy. So it looks like the jar is a little bit dirty, so I'm going to try and pull out some of that dirt there. But it sounds easy enough to do. So you're basically just layering these little wax packets in a design that you like. I'm not really going to do a design. I'm just going to layer them in there, one on top of the other. And I think what I'm going to start with is the apple cinnamon on the bottom. So I'm just opening the packet here, and I'm just going to pour this in and try to kind of get it even all the way around. And these little packets, you wouldn't think they hold a lot, but they actually do. They hold quite a bit. So there's the first layer. The second layer, I'm going to go ahead and put the apricot citrus. Kind of shake it a little bit to make it kind of even. So that's what that looks like. Sorry if there's a glare. And then the last one, I'm going to put the magnolia. Seems like the magnolia one had more in it. Okay, I'm kind of just going to shake it a little bit to kind of even it out. And that's what it looks like. Now it's not completely even all the way around, but that's okay. And then it says to trim the wick to 1/4 inch, so I'm just going to cut off a little bit here. And this stuff smells really good. I mean, you can smell the wax already. You can smell it while it's even in the bag still. So this would be a really good project for kids, or for someone who maybe isn't real good at doing DIYs. This would be a pretty cool idea. Also, you know, Mother's Day is just around the corner, so this would be something that you could give your mom for Mother's Day. So I'm going to go ahead and light this. There we go. So this is really easy. This is really easy to do. I'm going to go ahead and let this burn for a little while so that I can report on what the throw is, if it's a good throw or not, and if it melts evenly and things like that. So I will get back to you guys and let you know what I think about it. Okay guys, so this is the candle. It's been burning in my bathroom for about 2 hours now. And that's how the wax is melting. It does look a little bit messy. It's not really burning real even, and I'm not sure if that's just because of the way the wax was poured in there, or I don't know, maybe my counter is not level. I don't really know. But I can say that it doesn't have the greatest throw. So I can smell it a little bit. It's not a real strong smell, but I can smell it. So it's not too bad. So anyway, I would probably go ahead and give this a thumbs up. It's a good product. It's easy to do if you're trying to, make a candle or do a DIY by yourself or on your own, or if you're not very good at doing DIYs. But it is pretty. It is pretty to look at. It's got a pretty glow. So anyway, yes, I would give this a thumbs up. I do recommend it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do. If you want to be notified when I upload a video, just click the little bell icon. I hope that you guys are having a good week, and thank you all for watching. Bye!